Hi there, students. To anticipate, a verb. I guess anticipated, an adjective. Anticipation, the noun of the quality. And anticipatory, an adjective, but rather unusual. So, to anticipate, to imagine or expect that something is going to occur. So, I didn't anticipate that there would be so much traffic. I didn't expect it. Yeah? The police don't anticipate any violence, but they're ready just in case. Yeah, we had one or two problems that we didn't anticipate. Yeah, so what do you imagine? What do you expect for the future? When this product comes on the market, how many people do you anticipate will be interested in it? Okay, so here to anticipate, to expect, to see what is probably going to happen. We anticipated that hundreds of people would come to the party. And then to anticipate, to deal with something before it happens, to prevent it from happening or to mitigate it. So we anticipated the problems and got ready before they occurred. Yeah? Okay, so to anticipate, to deal with a problem before it happens, and I think this is probably the best meaning of it. To take action in preparation for something that you think is going to happen. It's better to anticipate a problem before it comes. Yeah? So, yeah, I anticipate there will be problems, and we need to anticipate these problems by taking action now. Yeah, so we regard something as probable, and we then take action in order to be prepared. We want to forestall the problem. Yeah, we want to preempt it, to act before. Let's see, I think nowadays we use anticipate in both these ways, to expect or predict that something's going to happen, or to act preemptively, to act before something bad happens. Although if you look at the word anticipate, this has got this idea of before. Yeah, and I think it's got the idea of act before, but you can use it both ways. So you can also use this word anticipation when you're looking forward to something. So the children are waiting for Christmas with great anticipation. Yeah, they are eagerly anticipating the arrival of their presents. Yeah. Okay, I was full of anticipation before the exam started. Yeah. I think you can also use it to mean something that is a precursor, that comes before. So the fixed telephone anticipated the mobile phone, came before, happened before. Yeah. Okay, so to anticipate. You anticipate an event, you think it's going to happen, and then you take steps to make the best of it. Yeah, we need to anticipate how many people are coming to the party, because we need to know how much to buy. Yeah, I hadn't anticipated having to work tomorrow, but I will work it out. So to expect, to predict, to prepare for something. Okay, if you anticipate a need, it's what you think will be necessary. You anticipate what is required. You anticipate somebody's question. Yeah, I anticipate that they will ask this question. Yeah, is I understood it. But we can also use to anticipate, to go before, to do before. So you could you could anticipate a payment by making it before it's due. Yeah. So before things happen. So somebody who is a forerunner, they anticipate what will come later, to come before, to think of it, to do it before anyone else does it. Yeah, and this is the idea. Yeah, Charles Babbage anticipated the modern computer. He made a computer from a windmill and pieces of wood in the 19th century. Yeah, so he anticipated everyone else. He did it before everyone else did it. And this is the idea of to anticipate. Yeah, so you imagine what's going to happen. You act to stop it. Yeah, or you imagine that something's going to happen. I anticipate difficulties. I anticipate that he is going to be very angry when he finds out about this. Okay, so formality, to anticipate. I think probably 5.5 informality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And it comes from Latin. Anticipiare, to anticipate. Ante, before. And capere, to take. Yeah, so to take before, to act, to take something before anyone else does. Yeah, I anticipated the opposition and got a patent on it before anybody else could. To take before. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Anticipate. Anticipation.